Hi, today we're going to learn how to create a zoom effect for our images. So let's say we have image like this one. When we move our mouse over, you can see that the image is much bigger now, and we can obviously see far more details on the image. We can move our cursor basically, and the position of the image also changes. If we click on the image and move mouse away, you can see that the image stays in the position where our cursor was at the point when we're clicking on it. Now if we go back, click again and start moving, we're getting back to the initial status where we can actually move around the image. If we move cursor away, the image shows in its original dimensions. So going back to our editor, with the exercise files, again we have the same set as usual. We have our core.css, images folder, which doesn't have any images. You will have to source an image obviously for this exercise. Then we have index.php, we can open it straight away. Then JS folder with core.js, which is blank, and the latest version of jQuery at the time of this recording. So inside of our index.php, as you can see, we have all these files included already. I mean, our jQuery, our core.js, and our core.css. So all we need to do now is between the opening and closing body tag, we're going to start with a div with the ID of wrapper. Inside of the wrapper, we are going to create the div with the ID of gallery. And inside of this gallery div, I'm going to scroll up a little bit, we're going to create a href with the hash, then rel, and rel will store the path to our image. So images o1.jpg in my case. Okay, then we go for the image. The source will be the same, images o1.jpg. Then we go for alt image, and width, we're going to squeeze it to 600 pixels and height to 400 pixels, which is proportional basically to the original dimensions of the image. Okay, now we can save and close our index.php file, go to our JS folder, open core.js, and the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with document ready, so function and 2 curly brackets, then semicolon at the end. And inside of this one, we are going to call our new object, gallery object.run, and we're going to pass the instance, which we want to be our trigger. In this case, it's going to be a gallery, a tag, and then semicolon at the end. And in the next video, we're going to start building our gallery object, JavaScript object literal.